Transformation Training Center, T Rajan, teacher, mind power trainer and success coach. Hi students, your expectation has the power of making reality fitting. Expect the best. Be optimistic. What you expect will come to you. Because what you expect, your mind will focus on what your expectation. Your mind will work for what you expect of. So always when you do or solve a question, expect the answer. Be optimistic. I'll tell you a story. A principal in the school at Texas in USA has come out with a brilliant idea. He wanted 30 students in grade 10 in his school to be the toppers in the state. So what brilliant idea was that he selected 30 students from out of 500. Then told these 30 students, you are the brilliant students in the school. I want this. Then he selected 5 teachers from 100 teachers in the school and told them, you are the brilliant and most efficient teachers in the school. You are to take care of these 30 students, and they are the very brilliant students in the school. I want this. They want to be the toppers in the state in grade 10. They were proud of. The teachers were proud of. The students were proud of being the best students in the school. And the parents also were proud of, thrilled to see their kids as the best kids in the school. They all worked together, wholeheartedly. Teachers, parents and children took extra classes, and the parents supported their assignments, and they were with the students. They were praising them. The children completely focused on their studies. They were proud of being selected as the best students. And when the result came, yes, as expected, these 30 students became the toppers in the state. And one day, the principal organized a function to greet the students and the children, the teachers. And he said, these students are the best students now. And they became the toppers. And because they became the toppers because of these 5 teachers. The teacher said, no, these students were the most brilliant students. So they became the toppers. Then the principal revealed the first secret. I selected 30 students randomly from 500 students. I put their name in a box, randomly selected 30. Then the teacher said, oh no, then we are the best teachers. That is why they got. Then he revealed the second secret. You know what? He said, I selected 5 teachers randomly from 100 teachers. My dear students, here what happened? Their expectation, their mindset, their focus. Expect the best. And what you expect will come to you. When you solve a question, when you get a question to solve, expect the answer, definitely you will get it. Believe that you will get it. The expectation has the power in making reality fit in. Hi students, trigonometry, you have studied this chapter. It's a very important chapter, a beautiful chapter. It is the life of the students. because it is the beginning of your future studies. And very simple chapter and very interesting chapter. And the answer is also very short. So you have studied the trigonometric ratios, and just for your memory, and just to say what is the T ratio, what are the T ratios. And here we deal with only right triangles. So A, B, C, and this is the acute angle, we call it as theta. Then what is the first one? Sine. Sine is, its short form is SIN. Complete name is SINE, sine theta. Meaning the angle can be determined by using the ratios of two sides. That is trigonometry. And we have 6 T ratios. The first one is sine theta. And whichever acute angle you take, its opposite side, or somebody would say perpendicular. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. You know that. Opposite divided by opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side of the right triangle. And if you know sine, then you can easily define cosec because they are related. Cosec is cosec theta or cosecant theta. Since you studied, I don't elaborate in detail. Opposite of this, that is hypotenuse by opposite side. And by learning this, you learn it, or you can say 1 by sine theta. 1 by sine theta. So once you learn one T ratio, you can define the other. Cosec theta. Then, and one more identity we are going to learn. Sine into cosec is equal to 1. So sine is equal to 1 by cosec, and cosec is equal to 1 by sine, or sine into cosec is equal to 1. So this is now cos theta. Its full name is cosine, cos theta. This altitude changes according to the angle changes. Adjacent, the side adjacent to the angle theta by hypotenuse. So adjacent side by hypotenuse. Correct? And its reciprocal or sec theta or sec theta, full name is secant, is equal to reverse or reciprocal of course, that is hypotenuse by adjacent side, that is 1 by cosec. So here by learning this cos theta, you can define sec theta, or if you know sec theta, you can define cos theta. Or one more identity also we have cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. Clear? Now one more we have tan theta. Tan theta, tangent is the full name. Opposite side we divide by adjacent side. It means opposite side divided by adjacent side is tan theta. Clear? Learn by it. Then cot theta, cotangent is reciprocal of this. So adjacent side divided by opposite side, or you can say 1 by tan theta. Then one more identity will tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. So how many T ratios are? Sine opposite side by hypotenuse, then cosec hypotenuse by opposite side, or sine into cosec is equal to 1. Then cos of adjacent by hypotenuse, then sec is hypotenuse by adjacent side, or sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, or cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, or sec into cos is equal to 1 identity. Then tan equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side, and cot is equal to cot theta. Theta is an angle, it's a Greek notation, equal to adjacent side by opposite. Just for your improve your memory, I have said this. Now we are going to do some very interesting and important frequently asked question from the first exercise in this section. Okay? Yeah, this question came for board If tan A equal to root 2 minus 1, show that sin A cos A. Sin A cos A means sin A into cos A, but we don't use any into sign in between. Sin A cos A equal to root 2 by 4. Means sin A, angle, acute angle is A. So you draw a triangle and right triangle A, B, C can be anywhere, but A should be acute. And tan A is given. So what is tan A? From tan A we need to find out sin A and cos A, then substitute it. That's all. From tan A, if one T ratio is given, we can find all the other T ratios. That is the importance or use of the first exercise. One T ratio is given, we can find all the remaining 5 T ratios. So here tan A equal to, that is, we know A is opposite side. Remember always the definition. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. That means opposite side divided by adjacent side, right? Equal to root 2 minus 1 by 1. Denominator we take it as 1. Now, take this one here. This is root 2 minus 1 and this is 1. So, to find the sin A and the cos A, we need hypotenuse. So, remember, go back to your 7th standard. Find AC. You know that in right triangle ABC, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, right? Pythagoras, we know that. That is 1 square plus root 2 minus 1 the whole square, right? Equal to, tell me 1 plus expand like A minus B the whole square. That is 2. That means root 2 square minus 2 root 2 plus 1. We will get 4 minus 2 root 2. Correct? So 4 minus, it's not 4 minus 2 root 2. Therefore AC equal to root 4 minus 2 root 2. Okay? So root 4 minus 2 root 2 is AC. Clear? Now, what is sin? Each one you find out. Simple question. Expect always answer. Clear? You are getting the answer. So, sin A, we know opposite side. This is the angle. BC divided by AC equal to root 2 minus 1 by root of 4 minus 2 root 2. Clear? 4 minus 2 root 2. Now, what is cos A? Cos A equal to AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC equal means adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Clear? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. That is 1 divided by root 4 minus 2 root 2. Clear? Now, what we can find out LHS. Since it's a show that or prove that question, you start with LHS or RHS. Either way you can use it. So, LHS equal to sin A cos A. Just substitute these values. That is root 2 minus 1 by root 4 minus 2 root 2 into 1 by root 4 minus root 2 root x into root x is x. So we can use only one without use. So we can say root 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 root. Correct? Because root x into root x is x. Then we, what is 4? 4 means 2 root 2 into root 2, correct? 2 root 2 into root 2 is 4. So, in 4, 2 root 2 is common, we are going to take that out. So root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is going to take out, I will get it root 2 minus 1 because in 4 root 2 root 2 into root 2 is there. So 2 root 2 is common in both and this is cancelled. So I am getting what? Root 1 by 2 root 2. Now rationalize. This is equal to root 2 by 4 equal to RHS. I believe you understood. Very simple question in this case. Always rationalize. So always do or attempt with a positive mindset, positive expectation. Expect the correct answer in your mind. Definitely you will get it. Clear? Understood? And trigonometry is so simple and the answer is very short. Also 3 steps. Maybe you will get 3 marks. It is not like other chapters. Clear? Now we will do another question, simple question, and this question also is a board question. If given that 16 cot A equal to 12, find the value sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A. This question can be done in 2 ways. Find what is, we know that 16 cot A equal to 12, cot A equal to 12 by 4 equal to 16 equal to 3 by 4. Then draw a triangle, that is the normal ways, usual way. Then find the sin A cos A substituting. But it is little learning. What we are going to do in this particular question is create cot in the question so that easily this value can be put there. Clear? Create cot. Okay. How we can create cot? What is cot theta? Is cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta by sin theta. Save your time. This is very important. So what to do? How you can create cot theta? Dividing. So you take sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A. Correct? So what you are going to do? Dividing by sin A. So cos A by sin A will get cot. Correct? If it is tan is given divided by cos A, that's the difference. So sin A plus cos A divided by sin A, we will get sin A by sin A. Very simple. Plus cos A by sin A. Cos A by sin A. Now the next one is each one you have to divide sin A by sin A minus cos A. So simple. Cos A. So we are creating cot in this expression equal to, so sin A by sin A 1 plus cos A by cot A by sin A by sin 1 minus cot A. So very simple. So that that's all. So we get, tell me 1 plus, what is cot A? Already here, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 by 1 minus 3 by 4. Clear? Equal to, take LCM, 7 by 4 by 1 by 4. Right? 4 minus 3. 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. And here 4 minus 3, 1 by 4. Reversal multiply. So equal to 7 by 4 into 1 by 4. I'm sorry, 4 by 1. 4 cancels, so answer is 7. 7 is answer. So how simple you get it. Very 1 minute time you can do this once you practice. Clear? The other way is little lengthy. Clear? Easy? Understood? One more question. If 5 tan alpha equal to 4, show that 5 sin alpha minus 3 cos alpha by 5 sin alpha plus 2 cos alpha equal to 1 by 6. Show that. Same way we can do it as we did in the previous one. So we have 5 tan alpha. 5 tan alpha equal to 4. Then what is tan alpha? 4 by 5. Correct? So what we did in the previous one? We created tan alpha in the given expression. Correct? So how we can create tan alpha in the given expression? So 5 sin alpha minus 3 cos alpha by 5 sin alpha. LHS because it's a show that question. So you should write LHS or RHS. Find sin alpha plus 2 cos alpha. Then what to do? Dividing by create tan in this expression. So what to do? Divided by cos alpha, that's all. So we get 5 sin alpha by cos alpha minus 3 cos alpha by cos alpha. So to create tan, divide by cos. To create cos, divide by sin. That's all. Dividing each term. So sin, 5 sin alpha by cos alpha plus 2 cos alpha by cos alpha. Correct? Why we are doing this? We are going to create a tan alpha. So that is easy. We can just substitute the value. Equal to, what is this? 5 tan alpha. So tan alpha is created so that this value we can put here. Correct? Minus 3 into 1. Why? 5 tan alpha. Is it 5? Yes, 5 tan alpha plus 2. Cos cancel. Now just substitute the value. 5 into what is 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 4 by 5 plus 2. 5 cancel. So we get the first, that is 4 minus 3 by 4 plus 2 equal to 1 by 6 is equal to RHS. So how beautifully you can do this. Very simple. In very short time also you can do this question this way, and it's a board question. Clear? Understood thoroughly? Another question. This is a textbook question but important question. In PQR, right angle at P, OP equal to 7 centimeter, OQ equal to OQ minus PQ equal to 1. Determine sin Q, cos Q or tan Q or all the T ratios. So let us draw a figure. Right angle at P, then OQ. Correct? Now, what is OP? OP is 7. Then we are given OQ minus PQ. So OQ minus PQ equal to 1. Then what is OQ? OQ equal to PQ plus 1. Take this to the other side. Now we need to find these two sides. After finding these two sides, we know the definition of sine, cos and tan. Just use that. So now in right triangle, we are going to find out the remaining two sides. In right triangle OPQ, OQ square equal to PQ square plus OP square. We know that Pythagoras. Then OQ is what? OQ is PQ plus 1. So PQ plus 1 the whole square. Right? Equal to PQ square we do not know. Will remain as it is. Plus OP square is 7 square. Now this one we need to factorize. Sorry, expand. PQ square plus 2PQ, right? Plus 1 square is 1 equal to PQ square plus 49. Now PQ square cancel. We are getting 2PQ equal to, take 1 to the other side. 49 minus 1 equal to 48. Correct? 2PQ equal to 48. Therefore PQ equal to 48 by 2 equal to 24. So we got this one 24. Then what is OQ? OQ already we know. OQ is equal to PQ plus 1 equal to 24 plus 1. Correct? And this is 20. So we got all these sides. Correct? Now what is sine Q? We know that sine Q equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. That is OP divided by OQ. That is 7 by 25. Clear? And what is cos Q? That is adjacent by hypotenuse. That is PQ divided by OQ. That is 24 by 25. Then what is tan Q? Tan Q is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. That is OP divided by PQ. That is 7 by 24. Correct. And we can find all the remaining one. Find the cosine, take the reciprocal. Okay? And very simple way and very simple question, but important. Clear? One more question. The question is tan theta plus 1 by tan theta equal to 2. Find tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. And this is a simple method. We need a plus 1 by a equal to find out a square plus 1 by a square. Very simple. So what we can do, just take this one and square it. So tan theta plus 1 by tan theta the whole square equal to squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Correct? Two sides you square it. So that when you expand, you will get this one plus 2. So expand like a plus b the whole square. That is tan square theta a square plus 1 by tan square theta plus 2 into tan theta 1 by tan theta equal to 4. Correct? And this is cancelled. This is cancelled. Then tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta equal to 4 minus 2. Take a 2 to the other side. That is tan square theta plus 1 by tan square. So tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta equal to 2. So very simple, and this question can come for as a prove that question also. If tan theta plus 1 by tan theta 2, then prove that tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta is also 2. Clear? So just take the LHS and square it, you will get 2. Clear? Simple question, no? And keep always a positive mindset. Expect the best, then definitely you will get the best. Expect the answer. While doing and solving, expecting the answer, definitely you will get the answer. That is the mindset. So where you get what your mind is making for you. Okay? So always expect the answer, definitely you will get it. Clear?